My name is Jan Seabaugh, and I'm an attorney at the Pendleton Law Team. I was born and raised in Michigan, but I've lived all over. I lived in Houston, I went to graduate school in California, and I have 3 adult children and 1 daughter-in-law, so I finally got my daughter. The thing that I love most about being an attorney is helping people get the compensation that they deserve so that they can pay their medical bills and get further treatment if needed. I'm also a certified brain injury specialist with a master's degree in psychology. And for 13 years, I was the assistant director of a brain injury clinic where most of our patients were involved in some type of accident, usually an auto accident or a workplace injury or even an assault. When I first started at the clinic, unless a patient had a severe head injury where they were bleeding, they usually weren't assessed for a traumatic brain injury. Over the years working there, things changed as people got more knowledge about brain injuries, or concussions as they say, but a concussion is a traumatic brain injury. Concussion is just the mechanism of injury. I worked with a lot of attorneys on these patients' cases. I eventually left the clinic and wrote a #1 best-selling book on brain injury for patients and their caregivers, and then decided to return to the legal end of it. So while it's true that several of the clients that I get end up recovering quickly, many of them have lingering symptoms and they're dismissed by the defense adjusters. So that's where I come in with my background and experience, and then I explain to the defense adjusters how that affects their lives, and I'm able to usually get a much higher settlement for them. In addition to that, I've taught all the rest of the attorneys and paralegals what symptoms to look for in brain injury cases, and they knew when they interviewed me that I really wanted to help people with brain injuries and other injuries, and I really find that all of my colleagues have the same goal in mind, to help clients.